Hi Emma.
Hello.
I understand you're one of the organizers of today's mini hackathon. Can you briefly tell us about Code Jika, what it does?
Code Jika is a non-for-profit organization. It is legally registered in South Africa as Code for Change. So it started many years back. I do not remember exactly the date, but it has been around for a while now. So it is based in South Africa, and what they do, what they want is that every high school student in Africa should learn how to code, and that is their vision. So what they do is they have content, curriculum, and we majorly deal in web development. And because we believe as high school students, that is a very good starting place for them, because we have HTML and CSS, which has easy syntax. And we believe that by giving them this content, we have curriculums. We have the offline curriculum and the online curriculum, which are very simple and easy to follow. Actually, it is for self-learning. The students can follow them. We also have an online learning management system where the students can also go online and learn about the projects. We have basically Project 1, Project 2, and Project 3, it is giving them basic information, like we have one which talks about a business website, that is Project 3. So we are leading students in that line of using programming to think in terms of business, to think in terms of career development, to think in terms of changing the environment, to think in terms of things that can transform their society. And we believe that when we start early like this, as students program, their thinking, the way they perceive things, it really changes a lot, because it makes you think. And so that is what we are looking at, to empower the students as early as senior 1, even we go to P7 and even P6. So basically that is what Code Jika is all about, just teaching students how to code. And our goal is that every student in Africa should at least conduct a coding lesson, and that is something we are pushing with our various partners. Code Jika is not only in Uganda. Like I said, we are based in South Africa, but we're in many countries in Africa. We're in Tanzania, we're in Kenya, we're in Nigeria, we're in Ghana, we're in Ethiopia, we're in DRC. So we're in many countries and we are expanding. So basically that's what Code Jika is.
That's really a nice and interesting initiative. So can you briefly tell us about today's event as an organizer, as someone has been teaching some of these students? Tell us about today's event, the winners, and how it made you feel.
Yeah, so today's event, because in Uganda, I'm the Code Jika ambassador in Uganda. So first of all, this is a very big win for the Code Jika team in Uganda. And about this event specifically, about last year we launched phase 1 of our program. And phase 1 is teaching the students. We were taking them through this training. We sent coaches to various schools across the country. Now phase 2, we are into competition phase, and that means organizing events. So today has not been easy to come about, because I've never organized like a tech event before. So all the logistics and everything that needs to, so I was running around getting certificates, and so it wasn't easy. But at the end of the day, I feel really happy. I feel good, because it has turned out to be successful, as you have seen. So we had students from 4 schools: Creamland Secondary School, Nyamitanga Secondary School, Global High School, and St. Michael High School. So basically the winners came from St. Michael High School. They had 2 students that took the gold medal and then the bronze medal. And then the other medal was taken by Creamland. So, but then everyone else participated also, they did a good job. So it makes me so happy that I'm able to bring people together. Like I've always just been watching you bringing people together, and you think it's easy until you actually try it. So I want to thank Code Jika and also the university for offering us the venue. So it is actually it has opened my eyes into the power of community, the power of people coming together. It's like you see all the students have been inspired, they're asking questions, and it really feels good that you are doing something that people are interested in. Like I told you, our first phase was teaching the students, and now this is our new phase. We are going to be dealing in competitions, what they have learned. And it's not only the people we taught last year, any new schools. So I'm calling upon all the schools within the country to get on board, go to codejika.org, and then you're going to find all our resources. You're going to get with our LMS and start learning. Register your school on our website, or you can download our offline curriculum, which is available at codejika.org. I think they can see the link here, and maybe in the video description we'll also add the link to the website, and sign up your students, because we're going to have this in different regions of the country. This is for Western Uganda. We're going to have in Central, Northern, and Eastern. And then in August, we're going to have what we call the National Code Week in Uganda. I think it's going to be from August 7th to 14th. I'm going to confirm that. So everyone in the country, we're going to provide a link. You're going to register. You're going to receive our competition files. You'll do them and submit. So we shall be sorting files from across the country, and are going to have our national event in Kampala. But we're going to have 1 week of intensive coding in August, which is going to be the National Coding Week.
Thank you so much for sharing this information with the public. I hope you participate. I'm still at the Code Jika mini hackathon, and I've got one of the winners and participants in today's hackathon. He is a student, a high school student, and you'll get to know more about him from this brief interview. Hi, January.
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm okay. Can you briefly tell us about yourself, your class?
My name is January, a student at Criminal Secondary School, and I feel great pleasure to have won the medal. I've been practicing in my holidays already. And as I was working at my library, I could get some time, and then I practice coding. So that's all that brought me to success.
All right. Which class are you in?
I'm in Form 4.
Now, as a senior 4 student, what inspired you to participate in this hackathon?
What inspired me is because I see websites, and I really feel like I enjoy also to participate in coding, so that I can build mine.
All right. Now, as a high school student, do you think coding is an essential skill?
Yeah, it is a skill.
All right.
It can help you can get a started company and build a website for them. You can get money.
All right.
Yeah.
What's one word you would tell the students out there who think ICT skills are just not essential?
For me, the word I tell them.
You can face the camera.
The word I tell them, for the ICT skills, they are real. They help in this modern world that we are in. If you don't have ICT knowledge, you can't survive, because you see everything is modernized. So that's what I tell them.
All right. Thank you so much, Natkunda. It was nice having you here. Thank you so much for winning, and I hope you share the knowledge you've gained from this mini hackathon with the rest of the students.
Thank you.
Hi, Joan.
Hello.
Can you briefly tell us about yourself, your names, your school, your class?
I'm Mbarara John from Youngtown, Essex, a Ugandan, aged 17. I'm in Form 3. That's all what I can say.
All right, Joan. How has it made you feel participating in this mini hackathon organized by Code Jika? And can you briefly be loud?
I cannot tell because I'm so excited to be in a such place. I've been hearing the mass technology about ICT, and I had I have really wanted to participate. I have not taken it to the journey of ICT, but now so that I joined the second, I got that opportunity and I have used it. So I'm so excited, I cannot tell all.
Do you think that ICT skills are skills that everyone should have?
Yeah, if you decide and take off and you say that I must make it, with God, inshallah, you can make it.
All right, thank you so much. It was nice having you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Dale.
I'm okay.
How has your experience been like from today's event?
Experience has been great. This is something unexpected. I've been dreaming about this. I feel my dreams have come true, but I still have a long way to go.
All right, but this is really a good stepping stone for you.
It's a stepping stone.
As a participant, as a winner, you're a first runners-up medalist.
Yes.
Do you think that ICT skills are essential to the high schoolers out there?
Yes, to a great extent. ICT skills are essential because you can see developed countries like USA, and the richest people, they are they are all ICT wizards. You can check on Bill Gates, you can check on Elon Musk, everyone. Technology is making the country so high. So I feel even in Uganda, if at all technology becomes crucial, all of us adopt technology, we can push our country to greater heights.
All right. As someone who has won this competition,
Yes.
how have you prepared yourself for it?
Preparation, I started a long time ago. I think it was around 2019. I was in senior 3. Yes, when I checked around, I was checking a computer perspective. So I saw a number for web designing. I asked myself, hey, you mean web designing? Can students also do it? So I was asking my teacher to teach me, but he could promise me next time. All of a sudden, I met Ashaba Swab's official. This man has been my mentor. He inspired me. I liked coding. I feel coding is part of my life now. I cannot stop coding.
All right. Okay. So, as someone who has seen the goodness of ICT skills, what's one word you would tell the people out there who think ICT skills are not essential?
I would please advise them to get involved in ICT, because ICT is the only way to go. This generation, this competitive world, they need people who are equipped with ICT skills. That's what I can tell them.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, Catherine.
Hi,
Can you briefly tell us about yourself, your name, your class?
my name is Code Jika senior 3S from Uganda Secondary School.
I've seen you among the participants in today's mini hackathon organized by Code Jika. How has your experience been like?
It had been good for so long because I had been practicing ICT.
And do you think the skills gained from this have impacted you in one or another?
Yeah.
What's that one thing you would tell people out there who think ICT skills are not vital?
I would tell them ICT is an interesting subject. It helps with improving some skills.
All right, thank you so much. I met another interesting gentleman. He has been a participant, though he did win, but at least he's going to share some of his experience with us. Hi, Adonai.
Yes, hi.
Can you briefly tell us about yourself, your name, school, and class?
My name is Makila Adonai. I'm a student at Global High School Senior 3.
All right. What inspired you to take part in this Code Jika hackathon?
According to what inspired me as myself, this coding, it is a source of employment, and as you can see, most people are getting a lot of money. Like these people created Facebook, those who create Google, and even you can create a website for a certain company and get a lot of money in it. So I think it is a nice thing to do.
All right. How has your experience been like? What have you learned? What have you enjoyed?
Yeah, actually, it's a lot of it. It has a lot of enjoyment if you learn according to it is, and it's educative. Like now, I've been working on a project of creating a school website, and we can even also create some more things. So it's fun to deal with.
All right, thank you so much. Do you think ICT skills are essential for everyone out there?
If you give them time, they are.
They are.
Yes.
So what's that one thing you tell the people out there who don't have ICT skills?
For those who don't have ICT skills, you can start by practicing, trying on more and more, because this generation we're going in, it's full of ICT. Like everything now we're doing, it has ICT in it. It has computers, there's the use of phones, you can create YouTube videos, so ICT is important.
All right, thank you so much. It was nice having you here. So I'm still at the mini hackathon organized by Code Jika, and I got one of the teachers to these students. Someone has been acting like a mentor and is going to be sharing his experience with us. Hi, Samuel.
Hi, madam.
As a teacher who has seen your students practice, learn, and participate in this event, how has your experience been like?
It is extremely nice because sometimes when you are training students and they don't get exposed, they feel as if what they are doing is not good. But since now they have been exposed and they have seen how things are done and how good things are, I feel even others who have remained, I am not going to have any challenge as far as making them go through this is concerned.
All right. Has any of your students won?
Yes.
All right. How does that make you feel as someone has been mentoring them?
I feel extremely very satisfied with my work.
So, as a teacher, do you think ICT skills are essential for everyone?
Very good. ICT skills, ICT is the way to go actually. Whether you are in any field, be it education, be it medical, be it any other, you need ICT, and it has come to simplify everything.
All right. I hope you've noted whatever I have said. ICT is very essential in each and every other field. Thank you so much. It was nice having you here.
Welcome, madam.
I met another medalist. He's called Gaston, and he's going to be sharing his experience from today's event. So, hey, Gaston.
Hey,
Can you briefly tell us about yourself, your name, your school, and your class?
my name is Gaston Namanya, Senior 6 Sciences, St. Mike High School. It's BCM stroke ICT.
Interesting combination. How has your experience been like from today's event?
The experience seems I've gained a lot. Of course, we have been practicing at school. Though some of the things were new, but out of as our motto, as the school have a motto, why walk when you can fly? So that always encouraged me right away from the beginning, as we were introduced this program, the end of last year's term, third term, 2022, we had to adopt. And of course, my dream was all about ICT, computer engineering, and I think I'm running towards it, though I still have a big road to pass through.
All right. How do you feel as a winner from today's hackathon?
I feel very well, good, very happy. I don't know that I sleep. I might even sleep in the church.
I can feel your excitement.
Yeah.
How, as a winner, how did you prepare for this hackathon?
Prepared, even slept while coding my work, and I've always been connected to the website. We are also launching a website of our school. So this launching of website has also enabled us, we as the St. Michael team, to always keep in touch with the coding, and that's why you have seen the two students winning here. Of course, we have been practicing a lot.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, Dan.
Hello.
Can you briefly tell us about yourself?
I'm Daniel Luga. Yeah, third year student at Mbarara University. Basically, I'm a front-end developer. I deal with web development and Android development, basically.
All right. As a judge, what's your biggest highlight from today's event?
My biggest highlight was about many students had two questions. One was about debugging, and another one was creativity, like creating new stickers. But we found out that a majority could debug while they couldn't do it.
Do the sticker.
Create their own stickers. So I think schools will have to improve on that.
All right. As a judge, as a student, how does this make you feel, pushing skills from yourself to other students?
Basically, I don't always like being judged, but I like judging others. So it gives me a journey to push forward. Yeah, basically that.
All right. Thank you so much. It was nice having you here.
You're welcome.
I met one of the other judges from today's event organized by Code Jika, and he's going to be sharing with us some of the things he got from today's event. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Smaya.
Can you briefly tell us about yourself?
I'm Alex Tumusije. I'm from Central District. I'm a student of Mbarara University of Science and Technology. I'm doing information technology. Third year.
And you are a judge here, right?
And I'm a judge of the Code Jika coding competition of different schools. Yeah, and I was the judge of a school, St. Michael SS, that emerged as the winner.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
How has it made you feel seeing young students, high school students participate in this coding competition?
Yeah, it has made me happy because some of us joined these courses when we never knew about them.
True.
So I was given a course IT. I never knew what is IT, what is involved in IT. The only thing I could know is it involves computers. By the time I came to the university, I had entered, I think, computer labs twice. The day for the mock in senior 6 and the day for UNEB. I did it and God helped me, I passed. So I came here, I'm now in IT. So if I say students, senior 2, senior 3, participating in such things and they are doing them rightly, I see a bright future in tech.
All right, Alex, as someone who has tried learning IT, who has tried learning tech, do you think tech skills are really vital for everyone out there?
Yeah. Everything, we are running digital. Everything is becoming digitized. So everyone outside there has to be having at least with little ICT skills. Imagine someone buying for you, let's say, an iPhone and you don't know how to use it. You know how it feels. Imagine someone is seated at home, is hungry, he feels he doesn't want to move out, but due to the fact that you don't know how to use even the tech things you have in your house, there is no way how you order for something and they deliver it to your door. So ideally, tech things are very relevant to everyone.
All right, as a judge, as a student, what has been your biggest highlight from today's event?
My biggest highlight is, I've seen a generation of young people being motivated in tech. Students from St. Michael, I had a communication with that one. He told me, you know what? I want a computer science course. I need something related to computing. And I was like, wow, what are you doing? He said, I'm doing physics and mathematics. And I was like, wow, if you perform well in it, you will have your course. So really, I've seen people are well motivated in doing IT stuff, tech things, which is very nice for us, the tech guys.
All right, thank you so much. It was nice having you.
Thank you.